In today's tutorial, I am going to show you how to sort and filter data in Excel. Whether you are managing a small list of massive dataset, these skills are essential for keeping your information organized and easy to analyze. Let's get started, okay? First thing, let's talk about sorting data. Sorting helps you to organize your data in a specific order, either alphabetically or numerically. This can make it easier to spot trends or find specific information. Okay, so first up, you need to open up Excel with data you want to share. So for this tutorial or for this example, if we will use a list of sales data, okay, so here you can now see we have now this data. So click and drag or select the data range of data you want to sort. So like here, if I want to sort this one, and then make sure that you include the headers if your data has them. Okay, now go to the data types on the ribbon, and here we will see options for sortings. Your data you can sort like the A to Z, or for the ascending order, or Z to A for that descending order. Okay, next step is, let's say we want to sort our sales data by the amount columns, or here we can easily use it, and I want to use the smallest to largest. Just click over here, and now what I'm gonna do, I can easily use it over here, and let me use it. So I want to select this one again, and this time I can easily sort out this one. And now I want to use the sort largest smallest like this one, and I want to use the total amount. Okay, so and here with the values, then hit on the OK. Now you can see we have sorted this out or according to the amount. This is the largest to smallest. Okay, and what if you want to sort by more than one column? So for example, by regions, and also the first, then by the amount. So you can do by using the first one. We will use the regions over here. Then the next one we have used here the like A to Z, that our levels we can use the by. Click on here, click the columns you want to use. So I want to use the totals amount. Then I want to use the smallest to largest. You can add the columns you want to add, or you want to sort by the order of the preferences. Okay, so now hit on the OK. Now you can see it first come with the regions like the A to Z, then it comes the smallest or lowest. Okay, now let's move on the filtering data. Filtering allows you to display only the data set meet certain criteria, which is great for focusing on a specific subsets of your data. Okay, so first one is select your data range again, and if I select this one, then go to the data types again and click on the filters. Okay, so click over there, and a little drop down arrows will appear in the header cells of your columns. Okay, so click the drop down arrows and columns you want to filter. So for example, let's use, or I can easily use the regions, and if I want to filter only the east, and just hit on the OK. So now you can see it's only the find out, or it's only the specific with the list. This way you can easily filter out. Then if you can also the filter of multiple columns at once. So for example, filter the region, and also we can use the amount. So what I'm gonna do, first I will select all, then hit over this one. Then first one, let's use advanced, and use here, or before that I can just easily click over here, there, and like I can just select this one and use the east these times, then hit on the OK. Now I want to sort out this with the number of filters, and I want to use the words greater than the, or I can just usually use the like I can just say 200 or 250, or I can just say the 200, this one, or I will use the 208, then hit on the OK. So here we got it, the filter out. So those are greater than the 208. Okay. So for those who wants to take it a step further, let's explore and also the sense advanced sortings and filtering techniques. So with the custom sort, you can create more complex sorting one. For example, you can sort text by customs, weeks like the days or weeks of the months, or you can easily use it over here. Like if you want to use before that, I want to or takes out this one. Okay, then I want to select all, then hit on the OK. Now let's select the day, and I can easily use the January. So here we can easily find out the January's data over there. Okay, and if your data use or uses cells, colors or fonts to highlight a specific, you can filter out colors by clicking over here. Like if I use the conditions formatting, go to here, this times I want to use the greater than, and this one, for example, I want to use filter out, sort out by these colors. I can easily sort by the colors. With this one, here you only got out with these colors. So the advanced filter is set up the common criteria, the using with the data, use the advanced over here, and you can have the different criteria. You can easily this one. Okay, and that's it. You have learned how to sort and filters data in Excel like a pro. So these tools are incredibly powerful for managing and analyzing your data. And thank you for watching. I will see you in the next time.